It's 7 p.m. You're starving, and the last thing you want is a boring meal. But what if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you could whip up something creamy, colorful, packed with flavor? And yes, with juicy chicken too. This is the ultimate quick weeknight meal you'll crave every single night. And that sauce, just wait till you see it coat those silky egg noodles. Subscribe and share, because once you try this creamy 10-minute noodle recipe, there's no going back. Let's go. Start by placing a pot of water on the stove, bring it to a rolling boil, and salt it generously. Drop in 6 ounces of white egg noodles. They're soft, fast, and perfect for creamy sauces. They cook in just about 6 minutes, so don't go far. Now, let's make that protein happen. Take 1 chicken breast, thinly sliced into strips. In a hot skillet, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Lay the chicken in a single layer and season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and just a dash of paprika for depth. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then flip and finish. Golden on the outside, juicy on the inside. Remove and set aside. Now in the same skillet. Don't clean it. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add more oil if needed. Toss in 2 minced garlic cloves and sauté for 30 seconds. That golden aroma, that's flavor. Deglaze with half a cup of chicken broth, scraping up those tasty bits. Let it bubble for a minute. Then pour in half a cup of heavy cream and stir gently. As it warms, stir in 1/3 cup of sharp cheddar and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. It turns into the most luscious, creamy garlic sauce you've ever seen. Now let's add color. Throw in 1 handful of baby spinach, a small handful of half cherry tomatoes, and if you've got it, some shaved carrots. The heat will soften them just enough without losing that vibrant bite. Time to bring it all together. Drain your cooked egg noodles, reserving a 1/4 cup of pasta water. Toss the noodles right into the skillet. Add the pasta water gradually until everything becomes glossy and silky. Gently mix everything. The creamy sauce, the rainbow veggies, the silky egg noodles, until it all comes together in a warm, cheesy tangle of deliciousness. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley, a pinch of chili flakes if you like a kick, and just a splash of lemon juice to brighten everything. Not sour, just fresh. To plate, twirl a generous nest of those creamy noodles into a shallow bowl, letting the colorful veggies peek through. Arrange a few golden, juicy chicken strips neatly on the side of the bowl, just there to pair with each creamy bite. Add a few fresh cherry tomato halves for that juicy pop of color. Creamy, colorful, craveable, and ready in 10 minutes flat. Now for the perfect side, toast up buttery garlic bread. Just butter, garlic powder, and a sprinkle of herbs. Bake or toast until golden. And for a refreshing drink to cut through the richness, mash a few fresh strawberries, add to ice-cold sparkling water, squeeze in some lime, and stir with honey. It's fruity, fizzy, and fabulous. Store leftovers in an airtight container and reheat gently with a splash of milk. That is, if you have any leftovers. And there you have it. Creamy egg noodles, juicy chicken, colorful veggies, garlic bread slices, and a homemade strawberry fizz in 10 minutes. Subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs a dinner upgrade. And let me know in the comments, should we turn this into a cheesy baked noodle version next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fun food story.